Not the old Velcro.
New oil pump.
Oh my God, what the f is on the oil pump?
Why is it turned? Oh my God.
It's like Canterbury.
And the oil pressure's sucking air. They didn't weld it, they didn't do nothing.
Why is it like that?
It's supposed to be a press fit.
I know.
Tack welded. They said,
Well, that's
It's on camera. It's on camera. Show the evidence.
Wait, Canterbury.
You can do now, see what the machine shop says, and get back with the customer, see what he wants to do.
Alright, on the way to the machine shop.
It's nostalgic.
I put a small block Chevy in a Thunderbird when it blows up.
This is dope.
Doesn't look like yeah.
Nah,
All I know, I could look at that oil center unit wrong and it's gonna break off.
They painted in here.
yeah, can you please take that off? It's giving me anxiety.
They painted in here.
Oh God.
Is it loose?
No, I felt like I was gonna break it.
At least some Shannon rocks or some glass grip.
Grip them off right here. And just.
Hey. I got
The thing's not coming out the block.
The nipple's stuck.
Yeah. We need
It's like a pipe.
a monkey winch.
Channel locks.
You might need a vice grip.
Right.
Well, at least the interiors have decent on this.
There's a positive. You got a vice rubber.
He got the rollout bag. He said,
With
what'll
a
be
little
Phil?
built-in spring. With the built-in spring.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that.
What's your name, Phil? You got a family, Phil?
God, wait there.
Oh no, he's knocking our TV off it. You fucking the channel wall up, bud.
Damn, it's not like it's reusable.
Damn. My days. What the John?
Where'd you put the other?
I gave it a filling.
Alright, so how much did that thing have to wear to get all the way down to the cocker here?
Well, it had to wear down a good bit, most likely, from this not being, well, I already took the oil pump off, that not being properly seated into the oil pump, so it caused cavitation over time. And it just ended up eating away at everything. We're sending the block, crank, pistons, everything to the machine shop, so the customer, we can let the customer know there's going to be any major problems or anything with it, because the crank's already been turned 10-10, so we can only hope for the best. The only thing we can do now is see what the machine shop says, get back with the customer and see what he wants to do.